a legend, I'm no pass party.
Talk about Alkaline sold out. Chillon the multi-purpose stadium. When I half I feeling use, and over 4,000 people in night.
Yo, boom, boom, thank you. Me didn't need that laugh for this morning, yo. I'm glad we wake up. Why, thank you for the laugh, me didn't need it. You're stressed!
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Remember, if it's your first time checking out Yeah Jam TV, we just ask for you to hit that subscribe button. Enough appreciation and big up to everyone that already hit that subscribe button. Currently, Yeah Jam TV sitting at over 500 subs in people, from 0 to 500 real quick. Very appreciative, and we're still on our way to the 1,000, which is the goal. So continue to subscribe. Alright, so in this episode, we have Vybz Kartel live performance over there in Amsterdam, people. World Boss party in Amsterdam and level it off. Yeah, man. So all who did a murmur and a speculate, the World Boss delivered in Amsterdam. Africa, check it out. It was a great performance and a great show overall. So we are going to zoom in on the highlights and see how it really forward. You see me, I did? Yes, man. So we also have Massacre Fly Private over there, a killer show, people. Oh gosh, man, Bounty killer show over the weekend. It was a success. Full of surprises, full of artists, people. I'm telling you, you know, you should have did it. Oh gosh, man. Big up to everybody that support Bounty Killer Show over the weekend as well. Yeah, it was a very good look. Big look for dancehall. We have Neako Fire forward out and say, yo, the star, they on a propaganda campaign as the Alkaline show sold out and it never reached a capacity of even 4,000. Oh gosh, Neako Fire, yo, a serious allegations because we see the crowd for New Rules, people, and the crowd did look massive. It was a massive turnout and New Rules. So we have to go find out why Neako Fire I said that, you know. Yeah, man. Also, we have 1KEVIN a fought out a blaze of fire against Foota Hype. So recently, Foota Hype make a post on him gram. I commend the man for the performance over there in a summer jam. But in that post, him have a caption where kind of shade Vybz Kartel. So 1KEVIN get wind of that and launch a full-on assault rant on Foota Hype. So I have to check it out and see how that forward, you see me? But first, we kick it off with Vybz Kartel performance over there in Amsterdam. Live, people. Check it out.
Nothing.
Yes, sir.
Remember in Amsterdam with it. Remember we just shell down Germany.
Right.
And the people them love eternally.
Right.
So now we're going to shell down Amsterdam. So big up the Dutch. We're pressing gas. No brake, no clutch. I'm out.
Yeah. Amsterdam. Vybz Kartel. Watch out. When you're going to run this, you're going to the Thank you very much.
Before that, thank you guys. I just want to say, it's been a pleasure, an extreme pleasure. Anytime you want me again, I'm just a phone call away. But let me test the ladies. Introducing Vanessa Flynn, as stars are slim. Feed the girl them with tell them man say.
Cartel of the whole of Amsterdam are sing like a choir recital, you know, people. 17,000 strong, hits after hits. Them are sing for days. Yo, it was a great show and a great performance. The crowd involvement was a cut above the rest. Right now, Cartel say Amsterdam a lead in Europe. So you know, a serious ball game. Yeah man, the crowd really enjoy the teacher performance. And the man let them know say, yo, if you don't want me forward again, I'm just a phone call away. So you know, say, yo, the crowd I go send back for Cartel, you know. Without a doubt, we can expect back teacher in Amsterdam because he was well received. The crowd involvement was top tier. Can see that everybody enjoyed the show and it was a major success. So big up to the teacher and his team and that show there in Amsterdam. We can expect more and better going forward as well. Yeah man. So right now we have 1KEVIN a forward out a blaze of fire against Foota Hype, you know, people. Foota make a post pan in Instagram and I kinda big up Beanie Man and at the same time I shade Vybz Kartel. So 1KEVIN see that and never rate it and just decide so yo, full on assault. Check out the live, people.
If you know one person who have so much hate in them for Cartel, who would that person be? Foota Hype man. Yo people, me not understand this. This man I go talk about performance and I try style Cartel. Let me ask you a question. Within the 13 years, Cartel they are jail. What did Beanie Man do for dancehall? You know, to say Cartel make him in the past stage. Big shows. Eh? On the blind? You talk about performance. What kind of performance? God couldn't bless Cartel with everything, but yet God bless Cartel with the highest pay. What you rather? Can perform and getting low pay, or can perform and getting the highest pay? The artist will now perform good and make more money than the artist will perform good. I'd rather be the artist when I perform good. Me rather be Vybz Kartel because at least me not perform good, but me a shell on the world and me have the most show out of every dancehall artist right now. Can't perform good, but me have the most show. What I go say? Me can't perform good, but me buy 2 house America in less than 2 months. Me can't perform good. Me have a nice wife stand up next to me. See them. Me can't perform good. Me have my big house them at Jamaica. Me can't perform good. Sean Storm them good. Mooney them good. Eh? Me can't perform good. Nuffy them good. Spice good. My team good. The girl will make you see alien. Right on my foot see there every day, but me can't perform good. Foota Hype, you never make $1 when it comes to me. You will never make $1. And that idea said. The man have to come out of jail and put it back in a God time. God on time. How did do that? How did say marriage? How did say man and woman? The king is Adi. Vybz Kartel. I want to know. When I hear that, stop going like, hey, dirty thinking mouth Foota Hype. Hey, the beard. And stop size up. Stop hold me a mouth because the people themselves every time you hold me a mouth, drunk or fly down. Boy, you're king of what? You know, say your time up. 1KEVIN there. Your time up. You know, see, I hold around the artist them. You burn out, boom, boom. And the other day, I see you come. Boom, boom. I'm glad me wake up. I'm glad me wake up. Boy, thank you for the laugh them. I didn't need it. You're stressed. I get your money there. The Mavado where you boss. Boom boom I get money from him. The bounty killer where you cuss out. Boom boom I get money from him. The eye donor. The massacre. The death setup. The cartel. We don't need vendetta money. We don't need vendetta around here. So all that woman with bomb, no woman stripe. She bad a baby father. Lift up a big guns. Adapt me friend them fire. Me born with that temper. The man say me go put you in a crossfire. So Alkaline want step in on my border. Crossfire. Who no can bring him, make him dead.
So that are the views of 1KEVIN in a family. You know a straight leather belt settings when them man get dark and insane, especially when them all did Foota Hype. I don't know for some reason 1KEVIN no respect Foota Hype, but Foota is a legend in the business. But anytime Foota make a shade or seemingly make a shade towards anybody 1KEVIN respecting the music biz, he might go defend it, he might come out and blaze a fire and leather belt settings towards the G. You know it go. Yeah man, so now we check out Neako Fire reason. He must say yo, no rules, never sold out. However, the Star put out an article that indicates that the event was a sold out event. Neako Fire beg to differ. Check the reasoning.
So imagine Alkaline keeping sure new rules not Trelawney and then put out article. Say Alkaline sold out Trelawney Stadium. And not even 4,000 people in Trelawney Stadium and a half I feel them using, you know. And them say Alkaline sold out the stadium, it was a rampack stadium. And guess what? Them go as far if it tell a lie. Cause everybody knows that not even 4,000 people did that Trelawney Stadium. But me I go on shocker. Vybz Kartel have over 17,000 plus people in Amsterdam, being sure. But they never give me a highlight. But look here again, Jamaica Star want to know, tag them, come on and sit up there, you know. If you done with the corruption, you know. Bounty killer, we are the general for dancehall, keeping sure in Barclays. And them not even post one thing about killer. Not even post one thing about bounty killer on their social media platform. Over Instagram or nowhere. A big up killer and killer sold out Barclays. See corruption me I talk about, but you know willing to tell life Alkaline. And come and talk about Alkaline sold out Trelawney multi-purpose stadium. When I half I feeling use and over 4,000 people in night. Oh no so corrupt. Me I keep my morning show a Spanish Town, Neako Fire morning show, and the amount of artists come and to bring back the joy and love in our community of Spanish Town. Not even a gunshot now about a Spanish Town. I want to highlight that. Cargo. Angel, look how Cargo bring back reggae music. Angel come bust back again as a reggae artist. She didn't even name the Angel again, she named Reggae Angel. Look how much good things are going on, but you're not willing to tell life Alkaline. And you go hear people say me I fight Alkaline. Me not fight Alkaline, I expose them people that were in the media. Only if you don't have for them fuck career bridging. Me never talk about it, you know, but to hurt me if you say bounty killer keeping show and bounty killer do so much things to dancehall. I couldn't even post the general. But you know I tell life Alkaline about Alkaline sold out Pack Stadium in a Trelawney. If you don't believe me, go over Star page, go look. You know, go over there, go look. Big dirty corruption. I don't like them. Yo, I say your corruption can't stop, you know. If you don't in our media house, Virgin in our media house. On our media house, the public are watching, you know. Do the right thing. Give what is due to Caesar, give to Caesar. Alkaline, big up yourself here. You keep your show and it's successful. But you can't come tell lie about Alkaline come ram Trelawney Stadium to full capacity. If you don't believe me, go watch a video of them. The stadium empty. I was one little section in part off and them saying even 4,000 people in night. Be a corruption, man. That's why I don't like Neako Fire now. That's why I don't like me because sometimes I burn fire upon you. That's why I name Neako Fire. I burn fire upon corruption. I don't split the justice and make it truthful, brother.
So that a Neako Fire, a burn fire against the Star, popular local Jamaican newspaper. His claim is that Alkaline New Rules event, it never had 4,000 patrons in attendance. Wow, we're not sure how Neako Fire come to the conclusion there. I say, yo, the show never have 4,000 people good. But if you were at that event, let us know if you saw more than 4,000 patrons. Alright, Neako Fire was correct in saying that. Because you know, say, yo, the show, it definitely looked like it was a success. Alkaline came through, did this thing and deliver a wonderful set, intense, great performance as well. Armani, viral moment, you know that going brisk far through and do him things. So the event definitely looked like it had a success. And Silk Boss as well, you know, honorable mention, Silk Boss. We did really enjoy theme set, you know. Yeah man, big up to Silk Boss as well. So now we are segue over to a local comedy clip where we see a girl around for a body. So just decide to share with the people them. Check it out.
Hundreds of Jamaicans were today turned away from hell because the devil says he does not want them up there, because they only come in to make trouble and mash up his place. Reports are the Jamaicans are going down there with fraudulent means. They are traveling in wrong names and traveling on other people's debt certificates. But one of the report also said that the Jamaicans are installing fan fridges, air conditioners and other cooling devices contrary to the laws of health. The report also said that the man was trying to overthrow with his name Helly Lewis, otherwise known as the Maroon Emperor. He was booked to appear before his court next week Tuesday.
John was star Jamaican people turn anything in a comedy, you know. Yo, we're great. We're just different. I just a special type of people Jamaican people be right now. So if you make it through to the end of the vlog, people, we just want to big you up and tell you enough thanks if you subscribe to Yajam TV, and also if you watch the entire episode, big up. Yo, stay tuned for the next episode from the channel. Mad.